Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to whip up a fun whiteboard animation using Canva. Click the Create button to begin your project. Next, select videos from the available options. Choose the landscape orientation to ensure your video fits the standard widescreen format. Once the workspace is ready, focus on the main editing area. Here, you'll be adding visual elements to build your video. Locate the toolbar or element menu. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. In the search bar, type Draw to find drawing tools or graphical elements related to sketching and annotation. Browse through the results to select the appropriate draw element for your video. Click to add it directly onto the canvas. Use the resize and positioning handles to place the element exactly where you want it within the landscape frame. If needed, adjust properties like color, thickness, or transparency using the settings panel. This method allows you to customize and enhance your video by integrating dynamic drawing elements seamlessly. Next, add a VStack to your code. To do this, go to your editor and type VStack followed by a pair of curly braces. The VStack is a vertical stack container that arranges its child views in a vertical line. By using VStack, you can easily stack multiple user interface elements on top of each other. Place the VStack around the views you want to align vertically. You'll often wrap your UI elements inside VStack when building SwiftUI layouts to create organized, readable screens. Now your views are grouped vertically as intended. Now add the desired elements here. Click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the File Type options, choose PNG to ensure the best quality for your image. This format works for most types of graphics and is required for items with transparent backgrounds. After selecting PNG, click the Download button to save the file to your device. Your image will now be ready for use. Wait for the download to finish. Notice the animation confirming your file is saved. Next, click Save, then tap Next. Finally, return to the home screen by clicking the Home button to continue. Return to Canva, then select a video. Go to the Apps section in your software interface. Locate the option labeled Speed and select it to open the Speed feature. This feature provides speed hints to enhance your workflow. Use these speed hints to optimize your experience and work more efficiently within the application environment. Next, open the project you want to edit. Select the clip or element you'd like to modify, then navigate to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the clip to highlight it. Now, locate the duration setting, which is usually displayed above or beside the Properties panel. Adjust the duration by either dragging the edge of the clip directly within the timeline or by entering a specific time value in the duration field. Once you've set your preferred duration, confirm your changes. If this is for a storyboard or presentation, click the Generate Board button to apply the new duration setting. Review your work to ensure all updates appear as expected. Click the Sign In button to begin. On the next screen, choose the option to sign in with Google. A list of Google accounts will appear. Select the account you want to use for access. After selecting your account, click the Continue button to proceed. You'll now be signed in and ready to use the platform with your chosen Google account. To generate your drawing off to the side, use the Speed Painter tool. First, open the Speed Painter by selecting it from the toolbar. Next, choose the desired brush settings for your drawing. Then, select the area where you want the drawing to appear, positioned to the side of your main canvas. Click the Generate button to create the drawing. The tool processes your input and displays the result to the side, allowing you to compare or reference it easily. That's how you use the Speed Painter. You just learned how to make whiteboard animation videos using Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more easy creative tips.